Sharing is caring, and unlike giving away the last slice of pizza, sharing an automation that you've just built leaves you with a lot more joy and karma points than if you didn't do it. Introducing the playbook sharing feature. Now you can build an automation and generate a link that you can send to your friends and colleagues pretty much instantly. All they need to do is they need to click on the link and boom, they will have access to your custom automation. And every single time they run it, you save them 1 to 5 minutes of their time. You are just a hero in their eyes. Let's take a closer look at the automation. Let's open Bardeen with Option V shortcut, and here we have the suggested playbooks. If you like any of those playbooks or if you pin them, you can just click on this little icon right there to generate a link to an article that we've created. So this playbook already exists, we've built it, and you will have access to all of the information, including the videos, descriptions, and instructions on how to get it installed. On the other hand, if you're building a custom playbook, you can do the same thing, but generate a link the same way. And here we have the new link generated. You can write your custom instructions right here. You can even embed a Loom video. Let me see if I have a Loom video. Okay, there we have it. And you can save and close. Let's just copy the link first, save and close. And let's open it on the new page. And here we have the automation. That's custom automation. We will have the video loaded and our custom text. So when people want to try it out and they do not have Bardeen installed, let's open a new incognito window. Here we have the try it button that they can click. And then from there, they'll be redirected to the store. And once they install this extension, the playbook is going to run for them automatically. And that's all it takes to share a custom playbook. Now let's imagine you're a salesperson and you want to share your unique workflow that adds new prospects from Zillow to Google Sheets. Let's try this out. Let's go to Zillow.com and find properties in a specific neighborhood. So for that, we're going to build a scraper model. Let's go to this zip code and let's click on one property, and we're going to extract the information we would need as a realtor from this page. So what I want to do is I want to go to the compose mode and try out the scraper. So I'm going to use the single page scraper. If you're not familiar with scraping, definitely take a look at the tutorial. So here we have the property and we can click on an element that we want to capture. So I want to capture the price of this property, and I want to get this square footage and any other information that you want. For example, I want the current URL. And if you scroll down, let's try to get the overview. And here is our very simple scraper model. Now I want to get data using this scraper model, reference the scraper model that we just created, and finally I want to add this information to a new sheet. So let's create a new sheet. Let's call it Zillow. Let's click on run this, and we will add the information to that sheet. So we have the append command. So do append table rows to sheet. Let's do the Zillow sheet. Okay, from table, and use that table and run this. So I'm going to save this as a playbook. Let's call it Zillow scraper to sheets, and then I will allow users to choose the sheet to sheet. So we have a scraper model that we've created. We're going to grab data from the currently open page, and then we're going to add that data to a spreadsheet. Let's save this playbook and let's share that playbook with a new user. So I'm going to click on share the playbook. I'm going to generate the link, which I'm going to copy. And now let's open a different account that doesn't have this playbook. Let's go to the demo account and let's open the link. And now let's go ahead and pin this playbook. And here we have the playbook. The last thing I want to do is I want to go to Zillow from a different profile page, Zillow.com, and then I need to do a search similar to what we did before. It can be any search. Let's do New York. Click on a property similar to this one. And now I want to open Bardeen, and I'm going to run this same playbook from here. So I'm going to run this playbook, click here, and edit to a new sheet and call it Zillow Properties. Again, this is a new account. Imagine I'm your coworker. So I'm going to click on run this, and Here's the data. Now you can go to another property, just like this one, open Bardeen, click one button, reference that sheet, Zillow properties, click on run this, and the property is going to get edited right here. And this is it. Remember, sharing is caring. Try sharing your custom playbooks with your coworkers and friends, and I will see you in the other video. Cheers.